Hey guys, so ChatGPT has got a new feature called as Canvas and it has been officially rolled out. So I'll be showing you how you can use this Canvas feature for writing. So let's get started. So just open your ChatGPT homepage and this feature is available for all the users irrespective of whether you are a free or a paid user. And in ChatGPT we will be having a new icon like this, View Tools. Click that and you'll be having the Canvas. So it's exclusively used for writing and coding. If you click this, and here you need to give your prompt. So you can even expand this like this, open in Canvas, you'll be getting an interface like this. Here you need to give the prompt and to the right side you'll be getting the response. So I will just go with the prompt, give me an essay on global warming. So this is the response that I get from ChatGPT, and to the left we'll be having our prompt and a general description of ChatGPT's response, and to the right side we will be having the main description. And the good thing is this is adjustable, so if you just hover over this you can just adjust this based upon your use case. And now in case if you feel like you want to edit something, so you can just click here and just edit it. That's it, you can basically just edit it. And if you want to like go with the previous version, you can just click on this back one, it just brings back the deleted one. So if you go with restore this version and go back to the latest version, this can be done. So this is a good feature, I would say. And you can even like make this bold. For example, if you just highlight this, you are having this bold, italic and heading thing. Heading go bold, italic, and you can just ask ChatGPT, let me go with give me a better title. And here you can see I have just got a better title within a flash. So this is super amazing. And show changes, it's showing the previous version and the version after we gave our prompt, so we can even be up to date with what changes it has made. So this also applies for paragraph. In case if you want to make changes, just select this, ask ChatGPT to do anything, edit or even explain what does this mean basically. So many good features over here. And apart from this, you're also having a feature where you can add a new line. In case if you want to insert a new paragraph, put your cursor here, press on the enter key. This gives you a whole lot of space to type something new. And to the rightmost bottom we are having suggest edits, adjust the length, reading level, add final polish, add emojis. So let's go one by one. First is suggest edits. So if you click this, so it basically gives some comments, so that's really cool. And it also highlights the places where you want the comment. So for example, it has highlighted this place and it's saying considering simplifying the sentence, so to improve more readability. And in case if you want to apply this comment, just click on apply. So it will basically edit the text and make it more readable. See, something like this. That was done within a flash. And if you want to see the changes, these are the changes that happened. That's amazing. And in case if you want to just ignore this comment, you feel okay, this is perfect, and if you want to ignore the comment, you can just click on the close icon. The highlightation will go off, and of course you will be able to edit it manually here also. You can just edit it and do anything. Next feature is going to be adjust the length. So if you click this, so you can go with longest or shortest. So basically this determines the length of your essay. So I will go with shortest and click this. So basically this will compress our essay into a much shorter format. And now you can see the text has been condensed to 75% of its original length. So it has literally took away everything. So that's the reading level. So if you want a much longer essay, you need to click on longest and hit it. If you want a medium or shorter one, it's totally up to you. You have that option to change and ask ChatGPT to generate a much longer essay. And next one is going to be reading level. So this is based upon the complexity of the words that are used in the essay. So if this is a graduate school, college, high school, keep current, middle school and kindergarten. So if I go with like graduate school and if I ask this to generate, so you could literally see the complexity in the words used over here. So predominantly anthropogenic, deforestation, industrial, disrupting climate stability. So it's kind of complex. The words used are like, the vocabulary has been updated to a professional level. Here it has given a perfect description incorporating precise terminology and sophisticated structure. So this could be understood by people who are graduates and like professionals. And in case if you want the same to be done for a kindergarten, so I will go with the kindergarten, which is super minimal. And you can just see how the words have changed. I don't see a complex terminology or a vocabulary, much more simpler one, like, and it's been like a children readable thing, so simple. So that's the reading level. That's an amazing feature. And next one is going to be the polish. You can just add it. So I guess it just makes the text more crisp, like summarizing, making it a little bit better, something like that. Check the grammar, ensure the text is consistent, and you can even see the changes over here. That's fantastic. And I think this is going to be the least used feature, adding emojis, because nobody is going to add emojis in their research paper or essay writing or something. Could be done for fun with friends. So if you just click on add emojis, you're having words, sections, list, and remove. So I will go with words. So this basically converts words into emojis. So what are the emojis that could be possible to convert to a word? It just converts the word into an emoji itself. And if you want different sections to get converted to an emoji, you can use this. If you want to remove emojis, just remove it. You can just play around with the emojis. So yeah, that's it. It just brings it to the normal form now. And in case if you want to copy this, you can just click on this copy icon and paste it wherever you want. And in case if you already having a research paper and if you want to use that, you can also use this canvas. For example, let me go to a new chat, and I'm having this research paper or any story or something. So I'll just go and copy this real quick, and I'm going here, I'm putting canvas, I'm pasting my essay or text. I'm asking, hey, can you please add some comments and validate this? And it automatically opens in a new canvas interface like this, and it will be adding comments like this. We just saw it earlier how this works. If you hover over it, it will refer to the place where this comment is being displayed. If you want to apply that, it makes the changes automatically, and it just if you close it, we can just ignore the command, and we can also manually edit this. If you want, you can manually edit this and add any text over there. So it not only creates new content, but it also is super handy to edit and correct your existing content. So this is an amazing feature. It's basically like using MS Word but with the help of an AI assistant attached to it. So that's the video, guys. In the future video, I'll be showing you how Canvas can be used for coding purposes, and do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.